Hello everyone, this is Elara, and welcome to today's class. Today we're going to learn the 26 initial consonants in Pinyin. I'll use flashcards to help you remember them easily. A quick reminder before we start. I'll use similar sounds from English words to help you learn the Pinyin pronunciation. But these are not exactly the same as English, so please be careful. Please note the difference. This method is just to help you learn faster and understand better, okay? If you're ready, let's start. Bo, 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 bo. Close your lips, no air coming out. Po, 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 po. It's a strong sound with air out. Mo, 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 mo. Hum through your nose. Fo, 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 fo. Touch your lower lip with your upper teeth. These four sounds share one thing in common. They all end with a long O sound. Bo, bo, po, po, mo, mo, fo, fo, de, 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 de. Touch your tongue to the roof of your mouth, no air. T, 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 t. Same tongue position, strong and with air. N, 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 n. Hum through your nose. It's a nasal sound. L, 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 l. Air flows around the sides of your tongue. These four sounds also share one thing in common. They all end with a long sound. D, d, t, t, n, n, l, l, g, 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 g. Lift the back of your tongue, no air. K, 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 k. Same position, strong, with air. H, 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 h. Gentle air out, it's a soft sound. These three sounds share one thing in common. They all end with a long sound. Alright, now let's review them together. G, g, k, k, h, h. Good job. Let's move on to the next group. Ji, 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 ji. Raise the front of your tongue, no air. Qi, 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 qi. Same position with air. Xi, 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 xi. Soft air through the sides, gentle sound. Now it's review time again. Ji, ji, qi, qi, xi, xi. These three sounds share one thing in common. They all end with a long E sound. We've already learned more than half. Keep it up. You're doing great. We're almost there. Attention! For the next four sounds, you must curl your tongue up. Zhi, 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 zhi. Curl your tongue up, no air. Chi, 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 chi. Same tongue position with air. Shi, 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 shi. Curl your tongue up, gentle air. R, 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 r. Curl your tongue up, vibrate your voice. Let's review. Zhi, zhi, chi, chi, shi, shi, r, r. Good. Z, 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 z. Tongue flat, no air. C, 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 c. Same position with air. S, 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 s. Tongue flat, gentle air. They all end with a long E sound. I think you've got it. Now let's review them together. Z, z, c, c, s, s. E, 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 e. Soft and sound. Short and soft. Short and soft. Oo, 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 oo. Round your lips. These two sounds are short and soft. Wow, congratulations! You have finished learning all 26 initials. You are amazing! But there are two more important points we need to emphasize and tell apart. This will make your pinyin pronunciation more standard and build a stronger foundation. So please keep watching. We'll have a small quiz at the end. Oops, here's the problem. How do we tell these four pinyin sounds apart? This is where the sound trick comes in handy. Let's review again. Bo, bo, po, po, de, de, qi, qi. The second difficult point is the flat versus retroflex sound. Once you master these two difficult points, you'll already be better than most beginners. So let's keep doing. 3 easy ways to master and tell them apart. First, touch the roof of your mouth, not your teeth. Round your mouth a little, don't spread it wide. Make the sound in the back, not the front. Zhi, zhi, chi, chi, shi, shi, ri, ri. Z, z, ci, ci, si, si. It's quiz time! In this quiz, I'll mix up the order. Use what you just learned to read them out loud. Go for it! I believe you can do it. U, Ji, I, Bo, Po, Xi, He, Ke, Ne, Le, Ge. You know what? You finished one round. Great job. There's a second round coming up, and it'll be the last one. Let's keep it up. You are on the verge of victory. R, Qi, De, Te, Zhi, Chi, Mo, Fo, Zi, Si, Ci, Shi. Did you get all of them right? I hope you did. If not, that's okay. You can go back to the start of the video and review it. Hope you have a great day.